Hello everyone, I'm Socrates Bharati. Today we are going to talk about information gathering in server-side attacks. Information gathering is a very important because it will show us operating system of target installation program and run services on the target, the port associated with the services. From the services, we can try to get into the system using Zenmap with target IP. We will get list of all services and then Google. Maybe each one of them contained any vulnerabilities. Okay, now web server is running now. We can ping target machine IP. Ping facebook.com. We are getting Facebook IP. We will be able to run Zenmap against Facebook IP. But I am not gonna do that because I am not allowed to do that. What I am going to do is I am going to do run Zenmap against this multiply table machine. We need to give target machine IP address. If config 192.168.4.129. Hit scan. This will give me all installed programs. Yes, scan is complete now. We have a lot of ports open and a lot of services. I advise you to take port by port and read what is it and Google it. So FTP port, the file transfer protocol for upload and download the files. I am not going to check on this port now. Okay, 512. Okay, I am going to check this port and services. Interesting. It's a remote connection tool, but I don't know how to use this tool. Now, okay, we need to install RH-client for access server. I'm going to install rsfetch-client. Okay, now I don't know how to use it, so I'm going to use for login first. Okay, this one is important. One host. Okay, our login, login user as a root, and host name 192.168.40.129. We are login on testploit table machine. We log in target machine here. If I do my ID, you can see that I am the root. This is my location. It's the manual and basic way to gain access to target computer. Only misconfiguration of installation services, our login services. Just Google and what came, and we managed to gain access to target computer. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see a lot more video like this, subscribe my channel and share my video. If you have any doubts, comment below.